Did you know a geologist faked the biggest gold discovery in history and then vanished from a helicopter? In 1997, Bre-X was worth $6 billion on paper. Their geologist Michael de Guzman had convinced the world that a remote Indonesian jungle held the largest gold deposit ever found. But every single core sample had been salted with shaved gold from jewelry. There was no deposit. There never was. When investigators closed in, de Guzman boarded a helicopter and fell out mid-flight. The body recovered was barely identifiable. Nobody ever proved he actually died.